Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get Argon in ASTRONEER. This is especially useful for crafting things like steel inside of the chemistry station. So to begin, we'll want to travel to a planet where there is Argon located at. So there are two planets in ASTRONEER where you can find Argon, and the first one is Vesania, and the second one, on which I am right now, is Glacio. This is a planet where there's only argon, and it is the highest concentration, so it is going to take the least time to make one canister of argon. So to make this process easier, you want to make an atmospheric condenser at your main base. Also make a medium shuttle, which is this one right here, and it is going to have some slots where you can place the packaged atmospheric condenser inside of here and travel to this glacial planet or Vesania. Once you do, power it up with some kind of a wind turbine or solar generator or RTGs, and then just press F to examine, go to the second location where you can find Argon, and click the green button once you have this opened like this. So this is pretty much all, how to get Argon in ASTRONEER. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.